Okay, so if you're facing the very same error that I'm facing right now, that your clock is ahead or behind, then this video is for you. As you can see that at the moment my date is 15 Feb 2027, so it is ahead. And whenever it is ahead, it always shows this message when I open the Chrome browser. So how to fix it? First of all, you just need to go to your search bar over here and type here time, and now click on change the date and time. Once you click on this, just wait, and this will pop up. Now here you can see that there are two options. First of all, you need to set this time automatically. Just click on it, and as you can see that it automatically changed. And now click on synchronize now. And once you do this, you can see that my date has automatically changed, and now I will not face this very same error again. So I hope this video was helpful for you.